This 2022 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Driftwood interior, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, TV antenna, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, self-contained, DVD player, oven, water heater, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is 11,700 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.